Welcome to the grammar section. Today's topic for discussion from grammar is direct and indirect narration. Before going to explain direct and indirect narration, let's understand the parts of direct narration. A direct narration has two parts, in which the sentence in the first part is known as the reporting clause. The verb present in it is called the reporting verb, and what is expressed by the verb in the second sentence is called the reported speech. For example, the old man says, labor never goes in vain. Here, the sentence in the first part, which is the old man says, is called the reporting clause. The verb says present in it is called the reporting verb, and the sentence in the second part, which is labor never goes in vain, is called the reported speech. Now see the ways by which the reported speech may be expressed. It may either repeat the actual words used by the speaker, or it may give their substance. In direct narration, we find the actual words used by the speaker. For example, the boy said, I want to play outside. Here the sentence, I want to play outside, contains the exact words used by the boy. But in case of indirect narration, we get the main part of what someone has said or written, not the exact words used by the speaker. The indirect narration of the above sentence is the boy said that he wanted to play outside. This sentence does not express the actual words used by the boy. In indirect narration, the sentences are joined by that if the reported speech contains a statement. Another important thing to note is that in passing from the direct narration to the indirect, the tense of the reporting verb is never changed, but the tense of the reported speech is changed except in case of universal truth or habitual actions. There are two main rules regarding the change of tense in the reported speech. The first rule is that in passing from the direct to the indirect narration, the tense of the verb is not changed at all. If the reporting verb is a present or future tense, for example, he says to me, you shall receive your reward soon. The indirect narration of this is he tells me that I will receive my reward soon. This example shows that the tense of the verb, which is simple present in the reported speech, does not change in passing from the direct to the indirect narration if the verb in the reporting clause shows the present time. Now see the next example. He will say, I am going home. The indirect narration of this is he will say that he is going home. Here also, the tense of the verb, which is present continuous in the reported speech, does not change in passing from the direct to the indirect narration because the verb in the reporting clause shows the future time.